Welcome to our Qbox server presentation. A couple of months ago we created a fully custom Qbox server, and now it's time for Qbox. Here you can see our character Selector. We've created all of the scripts from the ground up for our community, such as our clothes shop, which can be seen here and is also used as the character creator. The server comes fully packed with EUP clothing and menus, allowing you and your citizens to easily select uniforms such as EMS, police, medical, sanitation, and much more. Now, to make life easier, we've also integrated the server with our own private outfit uniform script, which you may have seen from the forums. We created this script to easily allow you to swap back to normal clothes whenever needed. The server comes with lots of basic maps, and all the door locks have been set up. All the door locks around your PlayStation for the cells and doors were all done by myself, and I went around the whole server. All the scripts and things have been created by myself and my teammate Catechus. Here you can see the police script is fully kitted out with lots of custom cars, and these are all law friendly with no badges to ensure your server remains fully compliant. All the vehicles also have access to door locks. While we're talking about the police, here you can see the armory is fully set up with different grades. Currently I'm grade 0. You also have a shop script integrated with all the items fully set up and images. We've gone around to make sure that all items available in your server are available in stores around your server. Here you can get a glimpse of the Ox inventory that we've done updates and redesigns to make things run smoother. We've also went ahead and carried out some updates and integrated our job center, which has a built-in ranking system to allow people to earn more money whilst working for a career, and all the jobs within the server have been added to the job center. We also have a citizen radio wheel, and we have a server radio wheel. For example, the server radio wheel is a great way for citizens to access things like admin reports to send reports to server owners. They can also do things like open up server lists, as you can see here, to view all online players. Along with that, they can open the VIP shop, which allows them to spend real life money on guns, houses, cars, and this is a fantastic way for you as a server owner to make money. They can also access job chat for like police, EMS, allowing them to talk within private. Around the map and the server you'll notice lots of changes, such as the bank script that's integrated with our own banking script. The server is fully set up with an advanced admin menu, allowing you to fully control your server, reports, world, and all your characters at once. The server comes with an advanced drug system made by myself. It's got everything that you can need, from code to selling to NPCs, harvesting things, and ways to make your server have optimized and elevated ways of roleplay. This is one of the most important scripts for a server, for players to have fun and to make money. Along with that, we've got so many more things going on behind the scenes and to be added. We've got lots of updates that we're going to be adding every single week, from new cars to scripts to maps, and you can download these free of charge and obtain free of support for limited time only. Everyone who orders this server will unlock support, updates, and everything for free. This is limited time only. As we add more things to the server, the price will increase. Okay, so if you have purchased a server and you are unsure how to set this up, I'm going to try my best to assist you. So I'm just downloaded the server pack and I have extracted it onto my desktop. So just to confirm, you get the WinRAR file, you want to extract this file onto your desktop or whatever you're using. I'm currently using a Windows VPS. I would recommend using a Windows VPS. It's the ultimate way and easiest way to do everything for FiveM. If you're using dedicated and PHP MyAdmin, please stop. So, okay, let's have a look. Inside the folder, you're going to have your server, your database, and a way to start your server. Now, you don't have to use this, okay? I do already have a Qbox on my desktop, so I'm just going to rename that Qbox 1. Right, so here is the downloaded folders. I'm going to drag that onto my desktop, drag that onto my desktop, and drag that as well. Okay, we no longer need that, we can just get rid of that. So in here, this is our server folder. Now, if you're using a dedicated server, obviously you don't need all of this. These are server artifacts, okay? So if you're on a dedicated server, all you want to do is copy these into your current server. Now, for Windows VPS, obviously, if you want to use TXadmin, be my guest, go down the normal TXadmin route. I'm just showing you a nice, easy way that we use and how we use multiple servers running at once, and it's just simple. For anyone who's unsure of FiveM, I highly recommend doing it by this method. Right. So this is a server starter. If I double press this, excuse me, it will start the server. Now what we can do is obviously we're going to have to update the server license key and everything else. If you double press this and it shuts and closes immediately, it's because the file destination, basically, right, if I change this into Qbox 3 and I try and change it, you're going to see it automatically closes, okay? And that's because I changed the name of the folder. In here you can see it's looking for Qbox, but if I change that to Qbox 3 and I did the same here, Qbox 3, wow, this mouse is so sensitive, and then I started it, you'd see it would actually work. So what you're going to have to do before you can do that, obviously, we're going to go down to our server.cfg. So you want to go down in here, we're in the server folder still, you're going to go all the way down to server.cfg, which is this one here, and open it up. Okay, so here I'm in the server CFG. Here is where you're going to put your server license key. You get this via FiveM Keymaster. And just a gentle reminder, if you're not a FiveM Patreon, that's to the official FiveM, not us. If you're not an official FiveM Patreon member, you're not going to be able to stream the clothing and have some other perks like OneSync and more players, blah, 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 blah. So here you're going to want to put your server license key that you obtain via Keymaster. You can get a key for free, so don't fear. If down here we've got all the database details, by default the database name is Qbox_FiveM, so just leave that as default unless you've changed it. You can go ahead and change your server names and change your tags here, because this is how people find you. And obviously if you want to do your permissions and everything else, they're going to be in the permissions folder to make yourself an admin and stuff. Okay, so now you need to do the database. So you've got this on your it's really simple. You literally just drag your server files on your desktop, insert your license key, do the database, and then you're good to go. You can just run your server straight away. If you're on a dedicated, your steps are a little bit different. So because I'm on a VPS, I can access the databases and everything all via Heidi, all in the same place. I don't have to connect to loads of different servers because everything is all via one server. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to basically go in here. What I've done is I've just clicked on generic here. What's going to happen is it's going to create the database and it's going to insert and create all the tables. So it's going to create Qbox of FiveM. At the moment that doesn't exist. So if I press play, and if I refresh, a little tip guys, it never updates automatically. You always have to refresh, otherwise you will not see your changes. So if I see Qbox FiveM and I can see my entire database has been imported successfully. It's that simple, and the server is good to go. Okay, server is online. That actually was really fast. There's probably not even much point me skipping that, but I probably will anyway, just to make life easy for you. So server's online. If you're getting any red errors in here that shows SQL issues, then you probably didn't do the database, or your database name isn't correct in your server.cfg or something. You do get free support, so feel free to send us a message, and if you're lucky you might even get to speak to myself. Anyway, it's been a pleasure to showcase you this video. Myself and the team have lots of videos in plan and store for you guys. You're going to get sick of hearing our voices. So until the next time, I hope you have a lovely rest of the day, and goodbye.